True love is a magical force that transcends time and space, an energy that can transform lives. When you take a moment to reflect on this, you feel the softness of a warm breeze caressing your skin, don't you? This sensation reminds us that there is something special in each of us, a unique light that shines and attracts those who are destined to find us. You are that light, and the angels are here to remind you of your intrinsic worth. Have you ever stopped to think about what it means to be someone's dream? It's an invitation to recognize the depth of your own essence, to embrace the love that flows within you. Often, we let doubt take over, questioning whether we are worthy of love, if we truly have something to offer. But the truth is that you are already enough. You are a gift, a blessing that the universe has brought to this world. The angels softly whisper in your ears, telling you that your authenticity and brilliance are what make you so special. When you see yourself with love, you allow that vibrant energy to connect with those around you. Have you noticed how certain people seem to light up in your presence? This happens because your essence resonates with theirs, creating a sacred space where love can bloom. It's as if you are a flower in a vast field, attracting butterflies and birds that are enchanted by your beauty. You have that power. Now imagine walking along a lit path, where every step you take is an invitation for love to enter your life. The angels are here, guiding your steps, signaling that you are on the right path. And as you move forward, it's essential for you to know, true love is not just about being desired, it's about recognizing the love that already exists within you. It is this self-acceptance that makes you irresistible. At this moment, I invite you to reflect. What do you feel when you think about your own worth? What are the angels trying to tell you about the beauty of being who you are? Let this question resonate in your heart and allow yourself to feel the answer. You are not alone on this journey. The divine connection is always present, ready to offer you support and enlightenment. And as you meditate on these questions, a new revelation is about to emerge. What else do the angels want you to know about your role in the life of that person who admires you so much? Get ready, as this understanding may open doors you never imagined were possible. The connection you feel is more than a mere whim of fate. It is an intertwining of souls, a cosmic dance that resonates in harmony with the universe. Have you ever stopped to notice the small signs that appear in your life? Those magical moments where a word, a song, or even a gentle breeze seems to whisper, "I'm here by your side." These are the subtle touches of the angels, guiding you toward your true path. Imagine yourself walking through a park, surrounded by trees gently swaying in the wind. As you watch the leaves dance, you sense a presence around you, almost as if nature is conspiring to show you something important. It is in that instant that the angels come into play, sending messages that can easily be overlooked, but if recognized, can transform your life. They are always by your side, ready to guide you, protect you, and illuminate your path. The spiritual connection you share with that special person is like an invisible thread that binds your hearts together. This bond goes beyond the physical. It is a deep and spiritual connection that transcends time and space. Have you ever felt this? A sense that, even at a distance, your energies meet and recognize each other? This is the magic of love and the strength of the bond that the angels celebrate. Many times, people report that in moments of doubt or sadness, they receive signs that they are not alone. A fallen feather, a light shining in a different way, or even a repeated number appearing in their daily lives. These are the angels making contact, reminding you that you are loved, supported, and right where you need to be. They want you to know that every step you take is accompanied by a celestial light that offers protection and comfort. As you consider this, reflect on the moments when you felt the presence of these signs. What message touched your heart the most? How did you react in those moments? These reports are not just coincidences. They are proof that spiritual connection is real and powerful. The angels are constantly communicating, and each sign is an affirmation that your bond is strong and unbreakable. Throughout this journey, it is essential to recognize and celebrate this unique connection. How about creating a simple ritual to further strengthen this bond? Light a candle while thinking of that special person and say aloud, "Our love is guided by the light of the angels." This small gesture can intensify the energy that unites you and open space for new revelations. As you reflect on all of this, ask yourself, what more do the angels have to show you? What have you not yet noticed about this connection? Keep your heart open, for the next message may bring a surprising revelation. With every breath, with every heartbeat, you are getting closer to the truth that the angels have in store for you. You are not alone on this journey. The light you emit is a beacon, attracting not only the person you desire, but also the divine wisdom that is always at your disposal. And as you allow yourself to feel this connection, know that there is much more to come. Get ready, for the next revelation could change everything. Life often presents us with challenges that make us question our worth and our relationships. Have you ever paused to think about how certain emotional experiences can create invisible barriers between you and the one you desire most? These barriers, although subtle, can be deeply rooted, and the angels are here to remind us that it's possible to overcome them. Imagine yourself on a peaceful night, surrounded by stars shining brightly in the sky. Each one represents a dream, a hope. Yet, as you gaze at these lights, you might sense a shadow drawing near, whispering doubts and insecurities. This shadow is the internal voice that often prevents us from opening ourselves up to the love we deserve. The angels want you to acknowledge these voices and confront them with the light within you. It's common for past experiences, hurts, or even fears of rejection to keep us trapped in a cycle of self-sabotage. Think of times when you hesitated to open up to someone, fearing that history would repeat itself. The truth is that these emotional challenges do not define who you are, but they can cloud your vision of the love that is within your reach. You are worthy of love and deserving of the affection you so deeply crave. As you reflect on your life, ask yourself, what is truly preventing you from living the relationship of your dreams? Is it a fear of being vulnerable? Is it insecurity about your worth? These feelings are not uncommon, but it's essential that you recognize and face them. The angels are here to guide you in this process of self-discovery and healing. Consider doing a simple ritual to release those heavy emotions. Choose a moment of tranquility, light a candle, and as the flame dances, close your eyes and take a deep breath. Visualize each fear and insecurity as dark clouds dissipating in the candlelight. Repeat to yourself, I am deserving of love, and I am ready to receive what is rightfully mine. This small practice can be a powerful step toward emotional liberation. But what do the angels have to say about this? They want you to know that by dispersing these clouds, you will make space for the light of true love to enter your life. By freeing yourself from the pain of the past, you will allow new opportunities to blossom, bringing the connection you desire. Think of the possibilities waiting for you. I invite you to reflect. How can you transform your emotional challenges into opportunities for growth? What steps can you take today to fully open yourself to the love you deserve? These questions are essential to the healing process. And now, as you connect with your essence, remember that love is a journey that must be taken with courage and vulnerability. The angels are by your side, ready to help you overcome any obstacles that may arise. You are not alone on this journey. As you consider all of this, prepare yourself. The next revelation from the angels will not only bring clarity to your emotional situation, but also illuminate the path to a full and true love. Are you ready to discover what comes next? It is in the delicate dance of emotions that the shadows of insecurity sometimes arise. Have you ever paused to notice how these doubts can creep into your heart, whispering that perhaps you aren't enough? Insecurities can be like clouds that obscure your inner light, but know that they do not define who you are. The angels want you to understand that even in the midst of the storm, there exists a safe harbor, self-confidence. Imagine yourself walking under a clear sky, feeling the gentle breeze caress your face. Each step is an affirmation that you are worthy of love, joy, and everything you desire. The angels are here to guide this journey, showing you that true security comes from within. Have you ever contemplated the beauty of your own essence? Every scar, every laugh, and every tear that makes up your story carries with it unique wisdom. You are a mosaic of experiences, and as such, you possess immense strength. Sometimes, when we look at love, we may feel small, as if we do not measure up to what it demands. But the truth is that love does not seek perfection, it yearns for authenticity. The angels remind us that trusting love is an act of courage. When you allow yourself to be true, you open the doors for deep relationships to flourish. Vulnerability is a pathway of light, where connection deepens. Consider the story of a friend who, after a painful breakup, found herself lost in a sea of insecurities. In the darkness, she chose to reconnect with her dreams and passions. By doing so, she began to shine again. And it was in this brightness that she found genuine love, one that values her just as she is. The transformation started within her when she decided to trust in her own essence. At this moment, take a pause and reflect. What does love mean to you? Is it a refuge? An adventure? The angels want you to know that true love begins with self-acceptance. By opening your heart, even if timidly, you start to attract everything you desire. This is the magic of life, trusting that the universe is conspiring in your favor, always. But how can we cultivate that trust? A simple practice can be meditation. Set aside a few minutes of your day to sit in silence, place your hand over your heart, and repeat, "I am worthy of the love I desire." Allow that affirmation to resonate within you. You will notice that, over time, the voices of insecurity will quiet, making way for serenity. And so, as you contemplate the beauty of your journey, remember, you are not alone. The angels are by your side, guiding and protecting each step. But what do the angels have in store for you now? That will be revealed soon, and your insecurities will transform into a strength that lights your path. Are you ready for that revelation? The energy of the angels flows around us like a gentle breeze caressing your face, bringing with it messages of love and hope. When it comes to relationships, doubts and insecurities often arise. Have you ever felt that true love might be closer than you think? The angels are here to guide you on this path of discovery, revealing what can strengthen the relationship you long for. Imagine a garden filled with vibrant flowers, each representing a unique and special connection. That's how your relationship should be, nurtured with care, respect, and understanding. How can you cultivate that beauty around you? The angels say that the first key is communication. When we talk openly about our feelings and desires, we create a safe space for love to blossom. Have you ever stopped to consider how a simple conversation can transform everything? But it's not just about words. It's also important to listen. To truly listen, not just with your ears, but with your heart. Often, the answers we seek are hidden between the lines, in the emotions that go unsaid. The angels invite you to pay attention to what the other person is feeling. This not only strengthens the connection, but also shows that you value the essence of the other. Now, as you consider these insights, ask yourself, what can you do differently today? What small gesture of love could be a significant step toward a deeper bond? The angels emphasize the importance of meaningful actions, like a heartfelt note or a spontaneous hug. Each act of love is a seed planted in the fertile ground of the relationship. And so, by implementing these practices, you begin to create a space of light and harmony. But there is more to be revealed. The angels whisper that the true strength of a relationship lies in individuality. Each of you is unique, bringing your own experiences and dreams. How can you support each other's individuality while also strengthening the unity between you? As you reflect on this, know that this journey is not just about the other, but also about you. What do you desire for yourself in this relationship? The angels want you to know that love begins within us. When we love and respect ourselves, we attract relationships that reflect that light. Are you ready to shine even brighter? Let's return to the image of the garden. For a garden to grow and thrive, it needs constant care. The angels encourage you to nurture not only your love for the other, but also your love for yourself. Take a moment during your day to connect with your essence. Light a candle as you reflect on your intentions and repeat, "I am worthy of love and happiness." This simple practice can transform your energy and, consequently, the dynamics of the relationship you desire. But what more do the angels have to say to you? What secrets are hidden in the clouds of your heart? This is a question that deserves an answer. By opening yourself up to intuition and the signs that the universe sends your way, you'll become a more conscious and loving partner. The answers may come in the form of dreams, synchronicities, or even in moments of silence when you allow yourself to hear your inner wisdom. And at the end of this reflection, remember that you are not alone. The angels are always by your side, guiding each step of this journey. They want you to know that by nurturing your inner light, you not only strengthen the desired relationship, but also transform into the most authentic version of yourself. Now look within and ask yourself, what is the next action you can take to nurture this love? What small gesture could open a big pathway? The answer may be simpler than you think, but the change it brings will be monumental. And so, as you reflect on this, get ready, for what the angels have in store for you is beyond any expectation. The journey of self-discovery is like a gentle dance between the rhythms of life. Sometimes, the steps may seem out of sync, but the magic happens when you allow yourself to listen to the inner music that resonates within your being. Personal transformation is not just a quest for an ideal love, it is an invitation for you to discover yourself in all your fullness. Have you stopped to reflect on how your perception of love changes as you get to know yourself better? This is a powerful question. The angels whisper to us that true love begins within ourselves. Every experience lived, every tear shed, and every smile shared shapes your essence. As you get to know yourself more deeply, you begin to realize that, much like a flower blooming, love also reveals itself in layers. Each petal that opens is a new facet of who you are, and this attracts the energy of the love you desire. Imagine yourself in a flower-filled field, where each flower represents an aspect of your life. Some flowers may be wilted, symbolizing past pains and challenges, while others are vibrant and full of life, reflecting your accomplishments. By tending to this inner garden, you allow the most beautiful flowers to bloom, creating a fertile space for the ideal love you deserve. The angels are by your side, guiding and protecting every step of this journey. In this process, it is essential to look inward and ask yourself, what do I really want? What makes me feel alive? By answering these questions, you start aligning your intentions with the frequency of the love you wish to attract. You are not alone in this quest. Many people report that by allowing themselves this reflection, they found surprising answers that changed their lives. Once, a close friend told me that after a period of self-discovery, she realized she could only truly love someone else when she loved herself first. This revelation led her to a healthier relationship, where love flourished abundantly. And it is in this space of transformation that the real magic happens. When you know yourself, you also value yourself. The confidence that radiates from you does not go unnoticed. It attracts people who recognize and respect your light. Have you ever felt drawn to someone who radiates self-assurance and self-love? This happens because the energy of love is contagious, and your authenticity is the key to opening doors that once seemed closed. But remember, the path to self-discovery is not linear. There are moments when the gentle breeze turns into a storm. That's normal. Allow yourself to feel and acknowledge your emotions. The angels are telling you that every challenge is an opportunity for growth. By facing your shadows, you become stronger and more prepared to receive the love you truly desire. So, what do the angels have to reveal to you from now on? Get ready, because the next step of this journey will be even more enlightening. As you look within, you will begin to see the reflection of the ideal love that has always been within your reach. How about, at this moment, committing to take a step towards your self-discovery? Light a candle and feel the energy surrounding you as you repeat aloud, I am worthy of all the love I desire. This simple practice can be the beginning of a powerful transformation. The angels are cheering on every step of your life's dance, and they have so much more to share with you.